Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Here's why Binance Coin (BNB) will face an important price test on September 30. BNB price has entered by symmetrical triangle formation and the conflicting trends would indicate the fate of the altcoin as the battles near $280. BNB, the native tokens of Binance BNB chains, entered a seasonal triangle formation on August 10, when it first faced the descending trend line at the $335 resistance. The following 5 weeks has been a stronger around $280. The exit in question between the two confessively ascending and descending partners. The indication of whether the spectral triangle will break to offset for downside is expected by September 30 when the trend line cross still holding a $45 billion total market capitalization. BNB chain token has outperformed the broader altcoin market by 15% over the past 3 months. The latest breakthrough, the BNB chain development, was announced on September 7 after the project introduced zero-knowledge (ZK) proof scaling privacy technology. The testnet is expected for November, aiming for faster finality and reduced replication phase, and through measurement field time pattern also wants to implement a similar solution for the Ethereum network, and he highlighted the importance of ZK in late 2021. BNB chain's Ethereum computable network is fully functional, hosting decentralized application DApps, including the Decentralized Exchange DEXs, games cross-plays, non-the service, social network, road aggregators, and NFT marketplace. A decline in prices deposits could be a red flag. The despite currency being 60% below its time high, BNB remains the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization ranking, excluding stablecoin. Moreover, the network holds $66 billion worth of deposit locked on smart contracts, a term known as the total value locked in the industry. Despite BNB price rallying 65% in the past 3 months, the token TVL measured in BNB tokens dropped by 12% in the same period. Usually, the data will be concerning, but it depends on how other competitors have fared. In fact, lower smart contract deposits have been the norm across the industry. For example, Solana's SOL TVL declined by 27% in the 3 months, and Avalanche IVEX decreased by 36%. Even Ethereum saw 29% cut in ETH deposit, down to 24 million from 34 million on July 17. In dirhams terms, BNB chain currency TVL of $66 billion gained 12% in the 3 months, leading to September 16. This figure is vastly superior to other Ethereum competitors such as Avalanche, $22 billion of Solana as $1 billion, according to data from the FI Liama. The app use is on the rise, led by Game Meta. To confirm whether BNB chains TVL decline is accompanied by reduction in user investor sub analysis, the current application DApp use metrics some DApps such as game and cosplay level do not require large deposits, so the TVL metric and relevant to those cases. PancakeSwap BNB chain's decline action has 175 million active addresses and is obsolete trader across Telmart and contract networks. Meanwhile, the Ethereum network only hosts 3 DApps with the more than 35,000 active addresses, namely Uniswap, OpenSea, and MetaMask Swap. More importantly, 3D APPs using BNB chain grew by 190%, of higher the game meta being the most promising with the over 900,000 active address. BNB chains critics will have a hard time if another application beside PancakeSwap and consolidates in leadership across all smart contract networks. Judging the Apple smart numbers, meaning the 12% TVR decline in BNB tokens and the 14% reduction in active address on Binance chains, leading the EPP, one could incorrectly compute the BNB token is primed for a correction. However, a more general analysis, including and cooperation with the computers, showing the symmetrical triangle pattern causing at $280 on September 30 is like a bullish trigger for BNB price. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author, do not necessarily reflect the views of Ken Draft. Even investment and trading moves involves risk, you should conduct your own research making your decision. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.